Look at him, Daddy. Use your fork. Good job.
Get it.
Oh, it's so close. And I give up. So close.
You had it. Okay, I'm good. Try again. There. Oh.
Good job. Good job. Every time. Oh, you're a little genius, aren't you? You a big boy? You know how to use your fork, don't you? Mm-hmm. Born. That didn't look good, though. Waddles like a duck. We don't go anywhere. We don't do anything. We don't have the money yet. Hopefully soon. We'll have a little extra money to be able to go and have fun and do stuff as a family. Right now we just have enough for bills and food, which I'm thankful for. But it gets a little dry not being able to do anything, so who knows. Vroom! Vroom! You're so stinking cute! Oh, you are strong! Look how strong you are! Oh man. You're gonna bust out of it. Spin, 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 spin. So, quick review. The helmets, rascals, or the ones that, here, go forward a little bit. Turn sideways so I can see. Keep turning. Do a 360. Turn around in a circle, really slow. Wow, you're supposed to do it slow. Yeah, look how high it comes up on the back of his head. I don't know about you, but that doesn't seem safe or like it's really going to prevent anything. Maybe it's just me. Is that a truck? But I'm kind of concerned about the base of his skull where everything connects. Spin, 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 spin. Oh, man. Ooh, slow-mo. Can you pick up the truck, Klyde? Hey, Klyde, can you grab that truck? Oh, you're going to pick up the imaginary truck. Good job. Hey, can you put it back? Be patient, Ollie. Good job. You want to show me what you're looking at? You gonna pet him? Oh, he let you pet him. This is a tiny little guy, isn't he? Mm-hmm.
He's a tiny little guy.
Aww, is he your buddy?
Huh?
Is he your buddy?
Can I hold him?
Sure, pick him up. You have to be easy. Ollie, I'm so proud of you. Look at him. What's he doing? You hopping? Hop, hop, hop.
Come here. Come here. Nope.
Nope. Come here, little guy. Come here, little guy. He's so teeny. You want to hold him? You want to hold him? He's going to squirm. Hold on to him.
His butt. He almost got touched him butt.
You almost touched his butt.
Yeah.
So now you can't hold him.
Yep.
Yep.
His butt.
Hi! All you can see is his tiny little ponytail. Yep, that tiny little ponytail.
Turn it. Oh, is it that hard? Let me see.
Are you gonna start it?
Maybe next time.
Goodbye. Bye. So, for those of you who rig things, we have a swing and we had to put a buckle on it for Klyde so he wouldn't stand up or fall out. And it's the harness that we don't use in our car. Such a smart idea. Tony's such a redneck genius. Hey Ollievyr.
Huh?
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Fun in the neighbor.
You fun with the neighbor? Well, what did you do?
Fun in the neighbor.
Where did you go?
Let's go and see frog.
You go to see the frogget. Did you go to the school?
Yeah.
What were you riding in when you went to the school?
I went to down school and then tractor went down school.
You went in the tractor.
Yeah, I went tractor down school.
You're lucky you got that cookie, sucker. We don't eat Oreos around here. No, sir. Did you have fun? Was it a good day? Give me a big cheesy smile.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.